Students, so welcome back to your channel. Students, today we are doing on page number 98 now area of trapezium. Very important formula. Already we have covered area of square, rectangle, parallelogram. Okay. Now we are going to take today area of trapezium. Now what is exactly the area of trapezium? Now we have the formula here. Area of trapezium is 1 upon 2 into sum of the length of all parallel side into height. Okay. Now let's see and draw the figure and write the area of trapezium formula also. Okay, so if I draw this trapezium here, okay, this A and B are and D and C are the parallel lines, okay, and this is the height here. This is on page number 98, P and Q. Now what is area of trapezium? Area of trapezium is nothing but area of trapezium is equal to 1 upon 2 into sum of length of parallel side. Okay, sum of length of parallel side. Sum means plus here, okay, and the parallel side is AB plus DC here, okay, into height. So we have height here AP and BQ. So what is the value is there? We can put it here and take out the answer also. Okay. Now it's very easy and very important. You have to learn all the formulas by heart. It's very important as per the exam point of view. Okay. Now first question is here in the textbook itself. Area of trapezium. Okay. Length AB is equal to 13 centimeter. DC equal to 9 centimeter. Length AD equal to 8 centimeter. Find the area ABCD. Now see here, this is the questions I already written in the notebooks. So we have to draw one perpendicular here. Okay, so this is the perpendicular. Okay, the perpendicular length AB is given here 8 centimeter, 13 centimeter. This is entirely AB is 13 centimeter. Okay, then AD is 8 centimeter here. DC is 9 centimeter. Find the area. Now see here, we have to draw a perpendicular line from C to, so we can give any name here. So this is E here. Okay. So what we have to do is in the answer, draw a perpendicular straight line. Perpendicular means straight line. Perpendicular from where? From point C. From point C to, this is the line AB, to line AB. Okay. Now what we have to do next is, now see here, CE is equal to AD because they are the parallel lines. Okay. Trapezium, opposite side parallel lines. Okay. Then okay, we have to write it down now. AD is equal to CE is equal to 8 centimeter. So suppose AD is 8 centimeter, so CE is also 8 centimeter because of parallel lines. Okay. Now this one also DC is equal to AE because this also are parallel lines. DC is equal to AE is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, so this is 9, so this is also 9. So 13 minus 9 is, so this AB is 4. Okay, the AB is 4. We can take out the value also by the betweenness formula. Okay, so AB is equal to AE plus EB. How it came? AEB equation. Okay, AB is equal to AE plus EB. So what is AB here? We already have 13. What is AE? 9. Okay, plus EB we need to find it out. So take out the value of EB here. So EB is equal to 13 plus 9 become minus 9. So therefore EB is equal to 13 minus 9 is 4. See here 4 I have written. Okay. Now what we have to do is, we have to take out the formula of rectangle. Okay. Now rectangle is here AECD. Okay. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Then we need to take out the value of triangle BEC. So area of triangle is 1 upon 2 into base into height. Okay. Then we need to take out the value of A, B, C and D. In A, B, C and D, AE, CD and area of triangle we need to plus it. Then we can easily take out the area of trapezium also. Okay. Now the first step is, after this we need to take out the area of rectangle. So take out area of rectangle. Okay, very simple. Go slowly. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, so what is length here? Now length is 9. So we need to take 9 and the breadth is 8 here. Okay, so breadth is 8. So 9 8s are 72. So 72 centimeters square. Okay, we got an area of rectangle. Now we have to try, find out area of triangle. Okay, area of triangle is BEC here. So this is 90 degree. Okay, so area of triangle now. So area of triangle is equal to, area of triangle is BEC. Okay, mention the triangle name also, is equal to, area of triangle is 1 upon 2 into base into height now. Okay, so 1 upon 2 into, what is the base here? So base is here 8. Okay, and height is here 4. Okay, so base is 8 and height is 4. So 2 4s are 8. So 4 4s are 16. See here, 1 4s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. So 16 centimeter square. Okay, we got the area of triangle also. Now area of ABCD, the entire value, area of quadrilateral ABCD. In ABCD, both this we need to add it, that is area of, okay, area of AECD, that is rectangle, and plus area of triangle, that is area of triangle BEC. Okay, now plus it, area of AECD we got it here 72, and plus area of triangle BEC we got it 16. So 72 plus 16 is 88 centimeter. Okay. Okay, now we need to take out the area of trapezium. Okay, now we already got it, area of ABCD. See here. Okay, so area of AECD and plus area of triangle BEC. So we got the value of 88 centimeter square. Okay, so very simple, very easy first question. Okay, now let's go to the second question now here. Length of two parallel side of a trapezium are 8.5 centimeter and 11.5 centimeter respectively, and its height is 4.2 centimeter. Find its area. Okay, now let's draw the figure here to understand it properly. Okay, so suppose this is area of trapezium and this is height here. Okay, so this is 8.5 and this is 11.5 and the height is 4.2. Okay, now we need to take out area of trapezium here. So area of trapezium, the formula is, write down area of trapezium. So what is the formula? 1 upon 2, okay, into sum of all parallel sides, into height. Okay, into height. So 1 upon 2 into sum of all parallel side is 8.5 plus 11.5. So 8.5 plus 11.5. Okay, and multiply by height is 4.2 here. Okay, so you need to cut it. You can easily divide this 2 to the 4 and this is 2 ones are 2. So what is the value? 8.5 plus 11.5. Okay, so 8 plus 11 is 19 and 0.5 is 1. So this is 20. Open the bracket with a multiply sign and this is 2.1. Okay, so 20 into 21 is 420. Okay, 420. Okay, after one digit decimal we need to put here So our answer is 42 centimeter square. So this is the answer of our second question. I hope you understand it. Okay. So let's go to the next one now. Third questions. Last question of the practice set is only 3 questions are there in the practice set. Okay. Now let's take the third question. What the third question says that quadrilateral PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. Okay, in length PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. PQ is here 7 centimeter. Okay. Then segment PM is perpendicular to SR. Okay, making a right angle triangle. Then length SM is equal to 3 centimeter. Distance between two parallel sides is 4 centimeter. Find the area of quadrilateral, that is PQRS. Okay, so area of trapezium we need to find it out. So again we need to draw perpendicular here also. Draw a perpendicular. We can give any name. Okay, PQRS to MR. So we need to write here, draw a perpendicular. Perpendicular means straight line making a right angle triangle. Perpendicular from Q to side to line MR. Okay. Now see here, MN, we can give the name also PQRS, this is N. Now see here, this MN is equal to PQ, okay, because PQ is 7, so MN is also 7 also, okay. So MN is equal to PQ is equal to 7 centimeter, okay. Opposite sides of a trapezium are equal now, okay. Now in triangle, see here, in triangle PMS 4 and 3 are given. We can easily take out the value of PS here, okay, because it's isosceles trapezium. So PS and QR are equal here, okay. So in triangle PMS, see here, angle M is equal to 90 degree. So whenever we got a right angle triangle 90 degree, we need to apply here the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, in Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is the longest side. So we need to pick the hypotenuse here. So hypotenuse is PS here. So PS square is equal to PM square plus MS or SM square. Okay. So what is PS? PS will remain as it is. We need to take out it. What is PM square is 4. So 4 ka square, and MS is 3 ka square. So PS square is equal to 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9. So PS square is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25. Right, taking the square root. So PS is equal to this square we need to shift on the equal to side of the other side, making it under square root. So PS is the square root of 25 is 5. So 5 centimeter is the value of PS. So PS is 5 and QR is also 5 because of isosceles trapezium. Okay. So PQRS, we need to write here, PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. In isosceles, 2 sides and 2 angles are equal here. So we need to write here PS is equal to QR is equal to 5 centimeters. See, I have written here also. Okay. Now PM, see here, PM is 4. So QN is also 4 now. So we need to write here. So therefore PM is equal to QN is equal to 4 centimeter. This is N and this is Q. Okay. Now after that, again see here SRR. So we can easily take out the value of SR here, all the sides. Okay. 3 plus 7 is 10, and by making here right angle triangle. Okay. So again this is 3. Okay. So we can directly take out the answer here. SR is equal to, in SR we need to add it. Okay. SM plus MN plus NR. Okay. So SM plus MN plus NR. So we need to write here the values here. So 3 plus 7 and plus 3. Okay. So this is understood. Okay. So this is 5, this is 5, this is 4, this is 4, this is 3, and this is also 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10 and 10 plus 3 is 13. So this is 13 centimeter. Okay. Now we can easily take out, we got all the values, sum of all parallel side into height. So we need to take out the value of trapezium here. So area of trapezium. So what is area of trapezium here? We know the formula is equal to 1 upon 2 into sum of parallel sides, okay, into height. So what is parallel side? We already got it. Parallel side 1 upon 2 into parallel side is here 7 and here all the values is 13. So 7 plus 13, okay, then multiply by what is the height here? 4. So we need to write here 4. Okay, this we need to take the bracket because it's the sum of parallel sides. This is 2 to the 4 here. So 7 plus 13 multiply by 2 here. So 7 plus 13 is 20 and 20 into 2. So what is 20 into 2? So 22 is the 40. So 40 centimeter square. Okay. So this is the 3 questions of formulae area of trapezium. Okay. I hope you understood these questions. It's very easy, step by step. Okay. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Okay. We'll meet once again with the next video with the new formula. Okay. So thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself.